Wait, is it recorded? I don't even. Oh,
Me and my fat ass, we're at Staples. Yeah.
we saw these cashiers. What is it that you said on?
Right here. And I said, I bet you, like right now, because we were just playing with them, so I was just like, I bet you, like, you've always wanted to be one since you were small, huh? Like, come on.
Shut up! You said it really.
Yeah,
She
okay,
goes that any Mexican would want this cashier.
Like, come on. Which Mexican child has never seen a cashier like this and, like, wanted to play with it or something? Like, and they'd be like, ooh.
It's hard to push numbers when you're looking through a camera. This one's awesome, man. We've been playing with this for probably like 2 minutes. Clearance, yes.
Pineapple juice?
Pineapple juice.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, I thought she's already pretending. She's already pretending, man, to be a cashier.
Don't take this. Beep, 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 beep. Yes. She gonna pull those. Beep, beep, beep.
This bitch is
$5.99.
stupid. Beep. We just needed to open.
$5.99. You got 4 of those, and your total will be.
Look at that fat bitch.
Your total will be. It'll be $6.40, please.
I'm hot. Look at me. It's fucking hilarious.
And your total, your change will be cash $6.40. All right, and your
Beep.
total will be. There you go. Thank
You need the receipt. Where's the with the receipt?
Right
Oh, the
here.
receipt.
Oh,
There
we
you
can't take them out.
Oh shit.
This is the one that my local mini store has because that's
Oh, really?
how cheap they are. Yeah. This is $100, $200, $300. I don't know what's the difference from these two though.
I think this one's wider. No.
This one is $300. This one is $200. And I don't. Oh,
I say.
you turn it over there.
Oh. Ooh, I like this.
Oh, that's about good. You want to do?
You wanted to be a cashier. One day you won't want to be a cashier. So, what's your social security?
Turn it off already.
Say peace. Peace.